just so you know this, you better let all those replica go. All those sheep that are wrapped in wool. I gotta go. I'm trying not to scream in this place because I'm getting ready to let go a whole lot of people. And there's some people that's not gonna like it. Because it's either you're gonna get on this train or you gotta get off. I don't got time for people that like roller coasters. I got to get to heaven because God is coming back for a church without a spot or wrinkle. God is getting ready to pour out his flesh, his spirit upon all flesh. I'm waiting for him to pour out on me. But you gotta be in position. You gotta be in the right place at the right time. You can't fool around with these people and entertain their foolishness. Why you always mad? Why you always hurt? Why can't you never be listened? Why can't you encourage yourself? I came to encourage myself today that I'm going higher. I'm going higher in the ministry. I'm going higher as a leader. If I never ever had the mic, that's all right. Because God is going to be pleased with the work that I do outside on the church that you don't see. Because you don't see me preaching the gospel doesn't mean I'm not on the outside doing the work of the Lord. See, you leave the work only in here, but the work goes beyond the four walls. But he said, go out to the highways and the hedges and compel men and women to come unto me, all heavy laden. Come unto me. If you got a broken heart, let them go. You need to get that spirit and gift of goodbye. My Facebook status, as soon as I put this mic down, it's going to be goodbye. I don't care if I got 5,000 friends. I'm saying goodbye. The next Facebook status I see, even if I think it's towards me, I'm deleting you. I'm saying goodbye. Because all I think I want is on my Facebook is things of encouragement.